Hello my fellow creators and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, it's our first 10 on the 10th for 2022 and here are the cards I made. Now for these cards I used this white Christmas hot buy from Michaels and I used this page that was full of tags and sentiments so that making these cards was fairly easy. I roughly followed the sheetload of cards from December 2019 in that I used one piece of pattern paper as a panel and then a strip and then the tag. So let's take a look at the cards I made. Now instead of making this piece of pattern paper a flag, I just ran it all the way across, and I did make the panel a little bit bigger. I made it at 4 by 5 1/4. And instead of making 10 cards, I did make 12 because there were 12 tags available on that sheet of paper. Now some of the tags did not have a sentiment on them, and that's these here. And all I did was pull in some Gina K Designs fresh asparagus and this sentiment, Happy Holidays, from Gina K's Perfect Poinsettia, and stamp my own sentiment on those tags. And then with the small tags that were inside on that paper, I just put them on the insides of the cards. So there was minimal stamping, and that was only because some of the tags didn't have a sentiment on them. I also brought in this twine that I had. I probably bought this at Michaels or Hobby Lobby several years ago, and I had 2 of these left, so I finished one and used some of this second one. I used it for the tag and then added it to the panel. There you have my 12 on the 10th. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye!